Community, collaboration.
Challenging.
EU financing has become such an important part of our survival that we really value it in a way that we can do many things that we wouldn't be able to do without the EU project.
More possibilities of showing their work and developing their work in different situations, in different environments.
There's a lot of this knowledge exchange and experience exchange around this collaboration.
All the organizations that were in this project that's ending are in a new project as well. The collaboration is so strong that it goes on.
I much enjoy coordinating, creating, connecting, type different stakeholders into consortia.
All the disadvantages of working on the large-scale international projects are like a minor when you compare with all the advantages.
Sensing, experiencing something new which inspires new ideas and new projects, or at least new points of view.
Opportunity.
Networking,